Hi everyone, let us see about Shape Builder tool in Adobe Illustrator. How to use this Shape Builder tool in this Illustrator, I will tell you. Now here I made 3 circles. Just you made it like this. After this, select all those 3 circles like this. Then you go and pick this Shape Builder tool. Then just click and drag like this. You will get one shape. Then from here to here, click and drag. You will get another shape like this. So this is the way you can create many shapes. Next, for example, I will show another one also. Here I am going to take the rectangle tool. I am making one rectangle. I want to take one more copy. So for that use Shift and Alt. You will get one more copy. Now select both. Again you take this Shape Builder tool. You want to join these both, just click and drag till this. It will come like this. You want to join this also means then from here to here click and drag. So you will get one more shape like this. Okay. Now I will remove this. I am going to make another one also. For that just you make circle. If you want you can change the color also. Click here. Just pick any color. Now what I will do, I am going to take one more copy by pressing this Shift and Alt. Just you make a 3 object like this. Okay. Now select those 3. Go to this Shape Builder tool. Now use like this. You just click and drag from here to here. Okay. Then you do click and drag like this. Then you do click and drag like this. So this is the way you have to use this Shape Builder tool. Next we are going to see about Live Paint Bucket tool. How to use this Live Paint Bucket tool now I will explain you. See here, before going to see this, we can make some shapes. Okay. I am taking this shape. I will take one more circle also. If you want you can change the color also. Just keep like this. Select both. Now go to this Live Paint Bucket tool. Okay. Just select anyone. Pick the color what you wanted. Then apply here. Next, you pick any other color. Then apply it inside. Then take one more color. Then fill it in the middle portion. If you want you can change the color also. It will come like this. Okay. You can use this Live Paint selection tool also. Through this also you can select, you can change the color. Like this you can give it any colors. After finishing this, now just go to this object. First select those 3, go to this object, expand it. Here just give it OK. Again go for this object, ungroup it. Again go and ungroup it. See here, now everything will come in different shapes. Okay. So suppose if you want to make any designs or logos, for that purpose also you can cut the shape like this, then you can use it. Okay. So according to your requirement you can use it. It's up to you. If you want you can rotate this. From this you can take it one more copy also. You know how to take a copy. Just select, hold the Shift and Alt, you will get one more copy. Then if you want you can keep like this. can change the color also. However you want, you can use it. It's up to you. You can make like this also. So this is the way you have to use this light paint bucket tool. Now we have seen some of the tools in this Illustrator. How to use those tools now I explained. Hope you all understand. Please subscribe my channel and thanks for watching.